prisms. So let's look back at our box that we created. Let's click off of the vertices tool. Now, the box that we created is considered a prism, and you would say that it's a rectangular prism. Why is that? Because a prism is defined as a three-dimensional figure with two parallel and congruent polygonal bases. Okay, so let's start with the polygonal bases. Okay, the polygons that make up our box are the rectangular faces, because a rectangle is a basic polygon. But what makes the box that we created, what makes it a prism, is that these polygonal bases are congruent, and congruent is defined as that they are of identical form. So the top and the bottom are the same size, and we can take a look at this by, let's do this. Let's click on the box once, hold down the Alt key and press the letter X to make it invisible. Now let's press the letter G, as in go, to get rid of the grid. Now we're looking at the box and we're able to see through it, and we can see that the top and the bottom are the same size. So that's what makes them congruent. But a prism also is defined as a three-dimensional figure with two parallel polygonal bases. So what do we mean by parallel? By parallel, we mean they are side by side and have the same distance between them. Okay, so they are side by side and they have the same distance because our box is basically the same size. So that's what makes our box a prism, and this is a rectangular prism because it has two congruent bases that are parallel. And let's turn back on. Let's click on the our box one more time. Hold down the Alt key, press X to bring it back to its color form, its solid form. And that is our lesson on identifying the parts of three-dimensional solids. Thank you.